What's up, Mexanese fam? I am Roberto Sanchez Gabriel. That's it. That's all I got from my parents. And this is...
I'm Leilani.
Sorry we haven't been uploading enough, but...
Every Monday, we are going to be calling it Mexanese Mondays. We're hoping to get out a video every Monday with new things.
We're gonna get on this, we're gonna start recording, and we're gonna start making videos. Hopefully the next video, I can show you guys how to cook something I like to make and eat.
Yes!
So today's video is a Japanese dish, and the next video, hopefully it's a Mexican dish. And this video is gonna be delicious, it's gonna be yummy. She's gonna teach us how to make it and how to eat it. I'm gonna teach you.
Yep. Today, guys, I'll be teaching you how to make my version of a California roll. Okay guys, so what you need today is pretty much Japanese seaweed or nori, which is this. Comes in a package. Pretty much you can find it at some big stores, but definitely Japanese markets still have it. I got roasted seaweed. Next, you're gonna need imitation crab meat. Comes in this container. There's so many different types, but this is the one that I use. Next, cucumbers and avocado. You're next gonna need rice. I use Japanese rice, and make sure when you make it, you need sticky rice. I wouldn't use jasmine rice for California sushi. For the side, you can soy sauce in my little container. I got roasted sesame seeds, the white ones. You can just put this on top of your rolls. Panko breadcrumbs. This is what I use if you want to make a crunchy California roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 cups of rice today. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse our rice right now under cold water. You wanna keep rinsing it until the water is no longer white, murky color. So now that my rice is now rinsed, I'm gonna go ahead and add the water before we start cooking it. For every 1 cup of rice, I add 2 cups of water. And we're ready to go. Just put in the rice cooker and click start. So next we're gonna go ahead and prep the veggies, the cucumbers, the imitation crab, and the avocado. So, do you wanna go ahead and do it? So you're gonna go ahead and cut the ends off, and then peel it, and then chop into tiny pieces, and you're good to go.
Ends? I hate peeling. I hate this part. So, I guess you have to peel the cucumber, and this peeler actually is not just any normal peeler. It actually does most of the job. So, all you need to do is go 1 peel down, and voila! Just like that, you have this cucumber peel. So, cut it in the middle. Cut it this way.
Yep. Please don't chop off your finger.
And there goes a finger.
Okay, you're gonna go ahead and scoop out the seeds.
So, the seeds coming off. This is easier.
Yep.
What? Like that?
Yeah, sure. While he's doing the cucumbers, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the imitation crab. Each is individually wrapped. I'm just gonna go ahead and shred it with my fingertips. Okay. Here is everything already prepped. The imitation crab, the cucumber, and the avocado. Head and roast the Japanese seaweed. I roast it just because it's nice crisp, but when we cut it, it won't be too sticky and chewy. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over the fire until it gets a little bit more crispy. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and start actually rolling the sushi itself. So what I have is our individual rice. I do have water, so anytime we're gonna go ahead and be spreading the rice on the seaweed, you have to keep your hands moist because or else the rice will get stuck to your hands. This is mine, get yours. I have a bamboo roller. It just makes things easier. The saran wrap is just gonna make things so it sticks together easily. He has his knife, I have my knife. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take our seaweed and we're gonna place it down, the shiny side down. I'm gonna make two different versions, the standard one and then the one with the rice. You're gonna go ahead and dip your hands in the water and then you're gonna take your rice. It's still really hot. And then you're gonna go ahead and spread it on the seaweed. It's really hot. Normally you wait till the rice cools and we should wait, but we're pretty hungry. Normally you should wait till there's a room temp.
So basically painting, kind of, with rice. And except this is gonna be
so it should look like this. Show them what it is.
Just hungry.
Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and get our cucumber slices.
Cucumber!
Gonna put them right on the edge of it.
Edge.
Like this. And then same with the imitation crab meat. Along the side as well. Everything on one side is very important. Don't lay it out through the whole entire seaweed. And then avocado. Okay. That's what it should look like. This is the hardest part, which is the rolling, okay? So you wanna go ahead and pick up the bamboo. You're gonna roll it into kind of like a burrito, but roll it in and push it down. Okay, take this off, roll it again. And each time you do it, you're gonna pack it down. Down, 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 down. Now once you come to the edge, you wanna dip your hand in the water and get it a little bit moist to seal it. Kind of like an envelope. One more time. You wanna roll it. Okay. Like so. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go ahead and start cutting it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and wet your knife.
Esa burrito!
Yes.
Burrito!
So if you're at home, you can just go ahead and literally eat it like this, but if you want a nice presentation, that's what I'm gonna teach you. So wet the knife because you don't want it to stick to the actual sushi. You wanna go ahead. Sorry.
And sneeze. You wanna go ahead and sneeze. It gives you more power, more
You're
flavor.
gonna go ahead and cut in the center, straight down. And each time you cut it, you wanna go ahead and actually wet it because you don't want the rice sticking to it.
You don't want your rice sticking to it. Cochino.
It's super easy, guys. I'm telling you, super easy once you get the hang of it.
Can I just eat it like so, like a burrito?
Yeah.
Just like that. Oh, that's cute. Where you get that? Look at this, guys. Look at how prepped she is. She brought like a little table.
What do you mean? I've always had that.
No, you didn't. We went to Daiso and we bought this just for the video.
Shout out to Daiso. Daiso?
I think it's Daiso.
Daiso?
Daiso.
That place? Awesome.
Oh, my cucumber's falling out.
And there you have it, guys. Look how perfect that looks. Here's another way that you can actually serve the sushis with the rice on the outside. So quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and put some sesame seeds. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. And then you can roll it. And you can have the rice on the outside if you want it to be fancy like that.
Alright, so definitely this was one of my favorite videos, only because I got to eat. If you liked the video, once again, subscribe to our channel, Japanese couple. Every Monday, we are gonna come out with new footage.
And if you guys do try it, please let me know how it went, if it was a complete fail, if it worked out really well. I would love to hear that.
Let us know what you guys would like us to make. So, I mean, she's Japanese, I'm Mexican. I was gonna say Mexicanese. I'm Mexican. So if there's a dish that you guys like, I will go hire someone to make it for you guys. So let us know. So we see you later, alligator.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah. Bye bye.